don't know, this is your Brad. I'm Natalie. Nice to meet you.
A bit too confusing.
Yeah, good
job.
Nice work, athlete.
Good job.
Sorry.
You have 401 athletes doing either the 1 mile or the 5K today. That's great. There you go, guys. Thanks for being here.
That should help you out.
And we're going to do a quick award ceremony after these athletes. Man, you're looking good. Way to go, athlete. After we finish, quick award ceremony for top 3 in each 10-year age group. First, second, and third female and male, and then on to everybody's eligible who registered. Some amazing prizes.
Yeah.
Big time. Nice job, young man. Welcome to the line. All right, we are.
Yeah.
Family that runs together, you know the rest of that story. In that, any way you want to. We are there. We got 1 miler streaming in, and very shortly, you're going to have your first 5Ks. Very shortly, I'd say. A little bit slick out there, but perfect running weather. The drizzle, we are approaching 17 minutes. Watch the and here you have it. Welcome to your finish line. Your first place 5K or bid, 254. Way to go, Nathan Debutez, Oklahoma City. That is your Firecracker 5K winner.
Yeah.
Welcome these athletes.
Well, a few extra pictures today, huh?
Great work.
It's a big crowd today.
It's a
They've
big
been
crowd.
going 17 minutes and change.
That sidewalk over there was a
Talking
little bit
about
crowded. Once you get out of the
30
road,
per
they get
mile.
Yeah, so it always is like
That's
right
times 3
here.
miles. Great
Yeah.
work.
I ran one for them earlier this year, and it was like,
the Star Wars one.
Yeah.
That was here for
Yeah.
this.
I see Nathan.
I ran that one with my daughter. You got a really good picture of us. It's actually my
Not
Facebook
a
photo.
newcomer.
Because she was like, she wanted to do a 30-minute 5K, and I'm like, girl, I don't even have that in my book yet.
That's a good goal.
And I was like, let's go for 35, because her PR was 45, and mine was like 33. So I was like, I can get that with you. And we crossed the line at like 33. And I was like, let's go. And then I ran. I think that same weekend I went and ran the El Reno Bun Run, and I did it in 30 minutes. So I was like, oh, I guess I could have done it.
That's awesome.
Here comes Mackenzie Wapapa Harris, nose to nose with Shan Hobrak, taking the other podium spots. All right.
Yeah, so I run 5Ks with my oldest daughter, and then I have 4 other daughters plus my wife, and they're doing the 1 mile.
For those
Like, before you know it, it's going to be a family event.
Thanks for being here. Don't forget the great finishers medals. Good job, young lady. Way to get it. Welcome to the line. Oh, Sophia Ruiz. All right, guys. Way to go. Thanks for joining. There's Maddie Furlong. And welcome to the line, Lexi Brown from Piedmont.
Good job. Go, Andrea.
Good job. Welcome home. All right, bib number 118, Andrea McKinney. She's a familiar one to the winner spot, going 1957 and taking first spot. There you go, Andrea. All right, folks. Remember, put it back in the body. It's a super day for you. We gotta hydrate.
That was
Good job, folks. Way to go, young man. Maybe more.
Yeah, buddy. Come here, Davey. Let me see it.
177. Nathan Hobbs. All right. 296 coming home. Greg what? Joseph Hurt. Oklahoma City.
Stay over here. Stay over here, buddy. Get over here. You left your poor brother behind.
Look at this little athlete coming home. Let's hear it.
Go.
Oh, I'm going to see her again. I know it. That's 271.
Oh my goodness.
And that's Amarissa Brower from Yukon. Oh, look here. Welcome to the line, Blaine Whitson and Noah. Oh, those youngsters. When you see the youngsters here, we always want to recognize teachers, parents, mentors for bringing them. Much better chance they'll do some form of this for a lifetime. James Bierman and Norman, way to go.
Let's go, Ian! Good job, girl.
Come to the line. Way to go, Ashley Langford of Norman.
Over here, Davey, back up.
Right. 189. Regan Jones out of Edmond. 317 is Colton Bartholomew. Good job. Don't forget the medals, the hydration, nutrition. 99 and 22 coming home. Ashton Mullins.
Get a snack. Get a snack.
Right.
What? You can give Bossy hers. Hey, Annabelle, come here. Annabelle, you want to give Lily her medal? Stay right here so we're out of the way. Right here, out of the way.
That's good.
Hey, you're in front of the camera.
2, 5, 7.
Stay out of the way so the camera guy.
Joshua Hayes.
Go straight across. They'll be coming around in a minute. Hey, why don't you go sit over there by the trailer and eat your snack?
8 to the line. Victor Morales of Yukon, thanks for coming.
Austin, you got to stay out of the way, buddy.
Knocking it out in fine fashion.
Yeah, you go.
How was it?
We got it marked going 740 pace.
You did it, baby. Let's get a photo with your medal.
All right, 170.
Good job, baby.
To the line.
They're right there. They're almost
Darren
around.
Davis of Norman. We got Brad Remy, Okie Picks, providing you free photos today. Thanks always for upping the race. Brad, Derek, Mel, and Melbourne, good to see you again.
She got it.
Gene Lavastina, welcome to the line also.
No, put it back.
Mark Bloomingdale, Alice Clark. Good. Caitlin Bennett of Edmond, thanks for being here.
Here they come. Here they come. Let's go, girls. Let's go.
All right. Look at this family of athletes.
Let's go.
Look at the
Bossy, you did it.
Sydney Karstens.
All right, go get a snack.
Taylor Karstens. Toby Karstens. Leslie Karstens. Thanks for making it a family affair. Zach and Alana, Cody, and Shawnee. On your way to go, folks.
You did so good. Were you running with Mama?
Great, yeah, dude. Shiloh and the glasses. All right. Let's welcome this little one coming in. I'm going to see her more often. Look at that. Smiling to her crowd. I love it. Again, when you bring kids out here, whether participating or watching, a much better chance they'll do some form of this for a lifetime. So thanks. Jennifer Bennett, Edmund, Amy Adams, wait.
Let's go, Jack! Sprint it out, Jack! Sprint it out! There are people coming! Go, 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 go! Jack, we're just cheering for you, buddy.
Winston Smith, there we go. William Wiseman. And the 400 to the line today. We thank you. Getting meals on wheels. Remember,
Go under.
on the Legacy Park stage today, you'll see main event opening a location in Norman. Main event near here. Robinson Street.
I'm
And you've got 405 Brewing Company. And you've got Stretch Norman. A 5K walk. Cabin will see you. Good job, athlete. Located at the turnaround point Their dealership is just past the water stop. Cavender's long-standing family-owned and operated dealership brings experienced staff to each transaction, ensuring customers get into the car they bring or the service and maintenance they require. Thanks to Cavender Subaru of Norman. Again, you're supporting Meals on Wheels of Norman. We have the director here today at the water stop, Summer McGuire. Portion of today's proceeds. Good job, Ashley. Welcome to the line.
That's why I saw you.
Since January of '72, Meals on Wheels in Norman, continuing to serve Norman communities, leading with nutritious meals through a partnership with Norman Regional Health System. A lot of volunteers for Meals on Wheels. It's great stuff. We're doing that.
That's what I didn't think you were going to start with that.
Chris.
I was thinking about it the last 2 years. I was starting way back. My time was always 40 seconds.
The Smiths, Kevin and Ashley, thanks for being here. Got our share of strollers out here.
That means you had to
That's Savannah Pass. Great work, Deanna. Good to see you. Jared knocks the percent. All right. Bib, 78, welcome to one. Micah Barner. Elk City. Here come the athletes. Good. Welcome to Yeah, we're still under 30 minutes. Well, under 10 minutes. You guys knocking it out. Remember your hydration. We're on a coolish day.
Still under 30. Together.
Mandy, Emma's about first.
Wait, you got your medal? Got your medal? No. Where's your bib? Did you not get a bib?
No. Memorial.
Let's go, medals. Let's go.
Saw one of you over there.
Let's go. Let's go.
I'm 25th running of the race. All right. Looks like the
My phone. Jojo's phone.
Great work. Autumn Collins.
Did it?
I was looking around the corner, and I was like, where is he? For now, it's fun. Give it an hour.
It's not right now. She's running.
To the line. Great work, Paige Whitson, Houston. Thanks for joining us. 294, Tom Hope.
Next year,
is here. Great work. 207. Good job, young man. That's James Day of Columbus.
So watch out here.
And remember, there's complimentary beer for you all of age. It's on the platform. Right in the middle there. We've got a walkway to get there.
Yeah, my mother-in-law. Come on, Bubba! Woo! Go, Bubba!
Hit the beer when you want to, long as you're there.
Good job! Come on, hit it, hands! Woo!
Here, Jack and Lindsay.
Come on, Bubba! Woo!
I like it. That was Hendrix Edler of UConn.
Linda! Come on, Mom! Woo-hoo! Yay!
3-4-0.
Woo-hoo! Yes! Good job! Yay! Oh my gosh! Thank you. Okay, we'll get us something to drink. like
Tom
right
Dodson from
are like
Washington.
almost 10 millimeters around.
I love a world-class finish line smile.
Woo! And I was like, she got up and she was like, you got this. And she was like, I don't have this. The weather was perfect. The girls were going to get hot and
That was Lauren Shelton. Oh, streaming home. Look at this athlete. 170. All right. Megan E. Norman. 199. Good work. Welcome to the line. Daisy Gibbons of Bristol. We got them from all over the state and outside of it. Coming over 400.
let's go, Bethel!
Here we go, folks. Welcome to your finish line. Here we go,
Bethel!
Julia. All right.
Okay, this is the first race in like 5 races I've not done before. And I'm
Great job, Ashley Renault, Oklahoma City. Way to go, Ashley.
What?
2-7.
Yeah. Oh, wait, oh.
167 is. Anderson, 275 to the line, just 150. Ashton Quinones of Norman. All right. Oklahoma Race Company, the creator of the race, your official timers, and for many year-long, Oklahoma Race Company does it right every time you win, you gain family and the team. Now creating this as yet another landmark event annually, the rite of passage in Norman, Oklahoma. 153, Mason Cantrell, Sean Henry, 126 to the line. Great work, Logan. Doesn't get much better than getting some quality exercise for a good cause and starting your celebration of our country for a race with your friends. Anderson Smith of Piedmont. It's home.
Oh, thank you.
Again, at about the hour mark, we will do a short award
She plays soccer.
Top
Really good
three
sprinter.
female male. Top 3 overall female and male. And then on to some great. There aren't a lot of them because they are really illustrious classes. Drawings. Be sure to put your pull tab runners here at my table to be eligible to be awards.
Oh, no, I got that.
We can come over here.
I did it. It was great. I had her and her. Come on, Cooper, come on. Good job. Here, medal, here, medal.
Quick sack.
Thank you.
Into your finish line. Christine Goldberg. Here comes Jordan. Get on the chair. Get it down again. Let's hit it.
Yeah!
Better than that, Jordan. Another one in the books. Thanks for gracing our race. Michael McKee. Right, welcome home. Great job, folks. Joey Richardson, Sharon Evans, Norman and Dorothy.
This appears doing video stuff. I mean, where you were. The one with the red hair.
Yeah, Mommy!
Awesome.
Levi here, his first 5K in the book since high school. Good stuff. And anybody who did not get a t-shirt, feel free to come on over here. She will most likely be able to take care of you. My friend just finished, Victoria Federico. Another one down, athlete all right, 5'2". Welcome to the line, Joseph Nettie Marble of Oklahoma City. And 15. Jennifer Cheater from Hayden. Thanks for coming. Joseph, to the line, Lee Ramsey and more. Yeah, you got hydration, nutrition. Here comes the Cletus. All of them coming home. They with the Parkers. Cletus, Brittany, Jean, Betty, Sue, Tina Marie.
Keeps going on. I'm broken.
Otherwise known as Dirk. Loretta, Gracie Lou, Jethro, Bobby, and I think I missed one or two. Timo K. Runner. Making their presence felt. Thanks for being here, athletes. Haley Wyatt. I'm sure Team Cletus will sign autographs. Sage Ross and Norman already. Sage is a repeat performer, and we appreciate it. Lily Taylor, to the line. Looking good, folks. The Hills. Jericho, Lindsay, Z, thanks for joining us. 141. Coming home. Leah Miller. Way to go, Leah. Again, beer is in the middle of the stage area. For those of you eligible for it, you can take that short little walk just ahead of the finish line. Then over there, there's 233, there's 264. Caroline Gallivan of Oklahoma City. It's kind of running like a woman. Good job, young lady. Kennedy, Norman. Don't forget your medals. Don't forget your hydration. Snack over there. Got to get back in the money after working. Couldn't have had a better day for this, but still. Got to rehydrate, re-nourish. 137 is key long. Let's go see Grandma. Looking good, athletes. That's 206.
Excuse me, where do you get your finishing?
Angie Kelly.
Yeah, this one right there. Oh, I know. Yeah, that's yours, yeah. That's one right here. Thank you.
Two. Listen, Wiley of Norman.
You have to go around.
A running legend, certifiable, Steve Kalanku. Another race in the books here. He's a fixture of Norman in 4 decades plus. Kind of like me, but I think he's racing more than me. I'm living vicariously through. Thanks, Steve, for being here. Bye, Bailey, Brian. Thanks for the donation.
Get your medal, Lauren.
7. That's Jesse. Acacia Norman.
Thank you.
Few more shirts. Yay! All righty. 148. Gimme Honeycutt Ardmore. 148. Welcome to the line, Carissa. Cavetta of Yukon. Fresh off Oklahoma City Memorial, her first half marathon. She's heading in November to conquer the full marathon at Route 66 in Tulsa. Wow. 12 minutes, we will have results and age group awards. And then we will draw any of you runners who did not put your pull tab. I suggest you come to my table and put it in this little cage because there were some great prizes. Racers 21 and over get a free beer from 405 Brewing using that pull tab at the bottom of race bins. They have extra refreshments.
Yeah. Let's go say hi to you. Come on there. You're bound to be
There you go, young lady. Welcome to your finish line. You have 2 pull tabs. One pull tab you'll bring to our basket, which is right here. Another one you can use for free beer.
They're coming. They're going around the circle. Georgia and Brielle. What?
No, actually, just you.
Yep, you get both of them when they come through. You got a picture? I got a picture of it over here. Video. What? We literally just left the body. I'm not leaving. They're almost there.
Where's your medal?
We have a great athlete.
Put your medals on.
You guys gotta leave them on.
Down at Fort Sill, Molly Frederickson. Thanks for coming over to walk.
I'm not missing the money anymore.
What do you need?
She's the body. We just got that coming out. They're gonna miss
I believe it. I believe it.
You can wait, boss. We literally just got back from the bathroom. We'll go back and
Our
come back.
age, we can still get inspired. In fact,
Yep, they're coming.
we got it.
I have too much work to do.
Sorry. No, I'm sorry. They were running. They must have stopped.
His play. Remember that now.
I'll get it, babe. Were they walking?
Maryland.
They were running again.
There you go, young man. Welcome to your finish line. That's what I'm talking about. Wow. Look at that. Way to go, athlete. Don't forget your medal. And thank you to our volunteers handing out the medals. All right. 7-4, welcome home. Tim Hebert.
Let's go, girls. Go see Lily. Guys, you did it.
You finished! Good job, girl.
Hey, turn around. Get a picture with your medals. Get a picture with your medals.
Good job, girls.
I have sweat dripping on my butt. I'm going to
Good job, baby. Good job. Hey, there's some snacks.
Lucy's.
Right here on your left. Good job, baby. You did it.
Welcome to Alive Living Good. We thank you for being here, Josh Garner. One of our race team. He's back here, 2 minutes.
Lucy has to go too.
Maybe a heads up for the awards momentarily. Thank all of you for being here. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. 2-0. Welcome to the line, Deanna Gallivan in Oklahoma City. There are 4 Gallavans here. Deanna, Rob, Madeline, Carolyn, thanks. Firecracker 5K 2025. This is our our sixth Firecracker 5K. It is now a rite of passage. So we get a little nice Joyce of it. Got a little thing. Jill Walsh. All right. Emily, Big-a-Tap, Louise, Torres, Guerrero. Way to go.
I'm coming.
Just before our words, in other words, right now we're going to go ahead and do some drawings.
Oh, Aspen's right next to her.
These drawings are coming about 4 minutes. We'll get some more. And way to go, folks. Welcome to your finish line.
Right.
Great job, young man.
Good job, Graham.
Baby boy. Let's go.
All right. We're going to save the big ones for a few minutes, but we've got some other prizes. Welcome along, Robin Castleberry Norman. Hey, there's the count out of there. All right. As you come to the drawings, please watch the runners coming through. Good job, young lady. How did you name it? First drawings. Here we go.
Do we have another box somewhere?
And she actually got out of the stroller and
Go, young lady.
Way to finish strong.
well, she ran in the middle, and then she was I was like, okay, are you ready to go across the floor? Yeah. So we stopped her, let her run away. We ran a little bit, but I was just in the stroller. Sure.
Here we are. Come on, grab the prize for the senior night.
Out of money.
I ran a mile. 5 years, 4 years.
5-4. Emily, the towel. Get a towel. Please, 1-6. And I'll tell you, we're going to get these prizes to those folks. 274. Helen Kane. Way to go, folks. Thanks for being here.
Let's see how it gets.
229.
We did the record 5K in 28 minutes.
Joshua Bone.
It hurts. It hurts really big.
392. These are little remembrances that you'll enjoy as well.
Good. That's good. You want to look like
I don't know, they passed us real quick.
7-1.
It is entertaining.
We have Winston Churchill's finest, the Winston restaurant. It's called Churchill's finest taco. What we're going to do is a few more of the coffees, and then we're moving on some big prizes. There you go, guys. Welcome to the line. Congratulations. What better way to start the day? And remember, beyond everything else, all the accomplishments, you're supporting Meals on Wheels of Norman. Helping folks with the music.
So there might be some more still.
What we're going to do now are the age group recognitions. Back to the class.
It's so good.
You know that you don't want to spend the whole day here. That's a great setting. Just a little bit of moisture to cool us out. And I'll agree with that. And, usually the case is, if we get a little bit of rain, drizzle, moisture, you only get wet once. The runners take whatever you go. So good job. You proved that today.
Let's do the half.
Let's do it.
That's all right.
It'll be fine. No, remember, I already found
I haven't seen her there.
I look at all of the other stuff.
I'm gonna get this one.
First place in all age group gets a Winston's Restaurant and a bag. Says Norman Firecracker 5K. Wow. Which actually the bag the first place in the age group. All right.
ready and we can meet.
Hi, baby girl.
All right, we got some updated results that are coming in. Once again, it's going to be top three in each age group, the 10-year age group. In the top three gender, top three females, top three males. Not yet.
No,
Numbered overall. The Breakfast timers know what they're doing, and they got it.
Our shirt and
I just want to recognize overall female winner Andrea.